That is what in distance vector routing example, we are going to consider the 4 routing node, and these routers are connected between the links. From router A to router B, there is one link, and from router B to router C, there is a link, and from router C to router D, there is a link, and from router D to router A, there is a link. With this consideration of all these routes, with the consideration of all these routes, you have to consider the individual routes. That is a with respect to route A, with respect to route A. Okay. For updating the table, what we are going to do in this, you have to write the 3. One is destination, one is distance, one is next stop. Destination is nothing but the whatever you are considering the particular route, particular router, that is a destination. And with the connectivity between the that route, that router, that is from A to B and A to D, the direct connection is there. The direct link is connected from that particular router, that is going to consider, not from the longest path route, not for a longest path route. So if you consider the longest path route, that will be considered as infinity. That will be considered as infinity. I will take the example for how we are going to write, how we are going to update the particular routing table, that is for considering router A. That is, A is your destination, B is your destination for router B, C is your destination, and D is your destination. Only 4 routers are considered over here, that is A, B, C, and D. What is the distance for particular destination A? For A, there is no distance for destination to reach for router A, so that is the distance is 0. That is the distance is 0. And is there any station connected from router A to reach for other destination? No, no destination is connected. For a respective router A, the destination is will be same. The destination will be same. That is the next hope. The hope is nothing but how many stations we are crossing. How many stations we are crossing. That is same. That is A. Similarly, if you take for a route from going from destination B, for B connected from a router A, destination we are considering is B. From router A to router B, what is the distance? That is of 2. You have to update that weight, you have to update that cost, or you can call it as a delay, that you have to update in a distance. He has already mentioned here. These numbers we have call it as a distance or cost or a delay. There are 3 names has been mentioned in here. We can call these the number as a weights, a distance, a cost, or a delay. That is distance is 2. That is what is the distance, that is the destination we are taking over here is, that is B. Destination is only B itself. Okay. And the destination is C here. You have to go the route from, you have to take the route from A to C. A to C. In the distance vector routing example, the main motto of this distance vector routing example is the router is connected directly to that particular router itself. A is directly connected to the B router and A is directly connected to the D router. Is there any direct connection? Is there any direct link from A to C? A to C? No, there is no direct link or direct connection between A to C. So that distance will be considered as infinity. That distance will be considered as infinity. That distance will be considered as infinity. So I have to update that infinity in that table. Okay. There is a number of stations you are crossing the next hope, that is from B, but you have to write it as dash. We can't consider that one as a next hope. Similarly for D. A is directly connected to D. A is directly connected to D. Okay, what is the distance from A to D? That is 1. That is 1. You have to update that distance as 1, and the destination is D itself. Destination is D itself. You are moving from A to D destination. So destination will become D itself. That is the next stop is D. So similarly, we are updated the router A, router B, and router C, and router D. Okay. This is what we have updated the router B, router C, and router D. We have solved, we have updated these tables in the step 1. The distance vector routing algorithm is going for step 1 and step 2. Is going for step 1 and step 2. But in link state vector routing algorithm, we are having only one step, that is a least cost method. We're having only one step, that is least cost method. No need to update this. No need to go for step 1. Directly we are jumping to the step 2. So this is what we are seeing over here. For distance vector routing algorithm, we have completed the step 1. We have completed the step 1 and we are moving to the step 2. Why we are moving to the step 2? Why? Because if you consider the path in step 1, it is taking the longest path. It is taking the longest path. So you have to consider with respect to the weights, with respect to the cost, with respect to the delay, those delays, those weights, and those cost will be minimum. Those cost will be minimum. How we are going to consider the particular cost, a particular weight, or a delay will come in the step 2. So accordingly, we have to update the particular table. You are already initial stage, we have updated with respect to the routers, that is from A, B, C, D. In step 2, what we are going to do, we are considering the same router. We are considering the same router as a, as a B, as a C, or as a D. We are going to upgrade that particular table by using the least cost path. Least cost is nothing but what you are going to add the weights which is mentioned in that particular graph, which has been mentioned in that particular graph. So here you are seeing in the PPT, that is step 2, each router exchanges its distance vector obtained in step 1 with its neighbors. The main probability of this distance vector routing is what? There is a direct connectivity between the routers. There is a direct link between the routers. That is the main motto of this distance vector routing. It is going to share the information which is connected to the particular link, direct link. It is not going to share for a other link which is not connected with it. So that is what the main motto of this distance vector routing algorithm. After exchanging the distance vectors, each router prepares a new routing table. This is what we are going to see here. New routing table, how it is going to provide, how it is going to create it. So we are considering the same graph. We are considering the same graph with the same routers, that is from A, B, C, and D. And we are considering the same weights, but the table will be different. Why the table will be different? In that particular initial stage, it is going to take a longest path to reach a particular destination. So in the upgraded table for a particular routers, you are going to upgrade it for a router A. A router A receives a distance vector from its neighbors from B to D. You are seeing in the graph, A is directly connected to B and A is directly connected to D. Okay. So router A, it receives a distance from D to A and from B to A. What is the distance over from D to A? That is 1. And distance from B to A, that is 2. Accordingly, by considering these distances, we have to upgrade the table. Upgrade the table. For example, he has given here from B and from D. You are considering the router as A. You are considering the router as A. And A is directly connected to B and A is directly connected to D. With respect to remaining these two routers, with respect to B and D, see here, B to A, you are considering the router A. This is very, very important. Keep in mind, give concentration in this. For updating the table of router A, updating the table of router A, the A is connected to B and A is connected to D from router B, from router B. Okay, that is destination is A. B to A, what is the distance? 2. B to A, what is the distance? 2. Okay, here it is A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. You have to write it here. For B to A, distance is 2. For B to B, for B to B, the destination is same for same router, that is B to B, the distance is 0. For a same router, for a same destination, there is no distance has been mentioned. For a same router, for a same destination, there is no distance. So we are updating that as 0. After that, what is there? C is there. C is there. A, B, C. A, B, C. So what is from B to C? That is 3. That is 3. Got it? And similarly from B to D, that is 7. B to D, that is 7. So we are updated from router A, for router A, that is we are updated, that is A to B 2. Okay, B to B, that is 0. B to C, okay, B to C, that is 3, and B to D, that is 7. And from D, you are considering for D. What is this? For A to D or D to A, this one is A, this one is B, this one is C, and this one is D. So D to A, that is 1. Okay. Next, D to B. D to B, you are considering from D. You have to see at the top level. Here it is D. From D to B, what is B? 7. And from D to C, what is the weight? That is 11. That is 11. And from D to D itself, for D to D itself, the distance is 0. The distance is 0. Like this, we are going to update the particular table. You have considered the two routes. By considering these two routes, you have to update the routing table as for A. Why? Because the router A is directly connected to the D and it is directly connected to the B. So that we are considering only these two routes only. We are considering only these two routes. By considering these two tables, you have to update the whole table for router A. Whole table for router A. What are the how you are going to update the particular table? We are going to consider as a destination, second is distance, and last is next hop. Destination, distance, and next is next hop. Destination is first. You are going to updating for router A. The destination will be A. Distance for distance A is 0 itself, and next hop is will be A itself. Remember this. The first line we have completed. The first line we have completed in the particular table. And what is this? He has written in explanation that the cost of reaching destination, B from router A. B from router A. You have to consider how many links are connected from B to A. How many links are connected from B to A? How it is connected? See, from B to A, here is the link, that is of 2. That is of 2 plus 0. One more link is there. That is connected. That is from B to D and D to A. Give concentration over here, how to mention the table and how to identify the shortest path. How to identify the shortest path. This is very, very important example. From B to A, there is a do is there, the plus one is 0. Okay. And B to D 7 plus D to A 1, that becomes 8. 2 plus 0, 2, comma 1 plus 7, 8. Which is the minimum number here? Which is the minimum number here? That is 2. That is 2. So we have to consider the least cost path as from B to A. Least cost path as from B to A instead of considering B to D and D to A. Got it? So it takes a longest path. It is going to take a longest path, or it takes a more time to reach a destination. So we have to consider only 2 from B to A. 2 from B to A. You have to update here. You have to update here. That is 2. That is 2 is the distances. Next stop is what? B. Next stop is a B. Similarly, for the cost of reaching destination, C from router A. C. C is here. The first path is from C to B, B to A. You have to consider many links. How many links are connected? You have to consider all the links, all the paths. After considering all the links, all the paths, you have to calculate which path is the shortest. Which path is the shortest and which is the minimum weight. Which one is the minimum weight, which one is the minimum cost, which one is the minimum delay. That we have to consider over here. Okay, you have to reach from B's get over, B's over, remaining are 2, that is of C and that is of D. From C to B and B to A. From C to B, the weight is 3. From C to B, weight is 3. And B to A, weight is 2. You have to add these two weights, that is 3 plus 2 or 2 plus 3, comma. One more path is there. One more link is there. How it is? From C to D, from C to D and D to A. D to A. C to D and D to A. From C to D, what is the weight? 11. And D to A, how much is the weight? 1. You have to add the weights of 11 plus 1, that becomes 12. Which is the minimum number here? 2 plus 3 is 5. 1 plus 11 is 12. So 12 is more as compared to 5. So you have to consider the shortest path. You have to consider the minimum weight by considering these two. That is 2 plus 3, that becomes 5. So you have to write it over 5 from B. You have to update in this, that is 5. And the next stop is C. Next stop is C. Why? Because you are considering the destination as C over here. And the last, for destination D, the cost of reaching destination D from router A. You have to mention how many links has been connected from D to A. You have to consider, you have to look into only the destination of D. How many links, how many paths has been connected from D to A. How many links are there? D to A one is there, and D to B is there, and B to E is there. Got it? D to A one link, D to B, and B to A. Okay. So D to B is 7. The weight has been mentioned is 7, and B to A is the weight is 2. You have to add these two weights, that is 7 plus 2, that becomes 9. And from D to A, the weight is 1, that is 1 plus 0. Which one is the minimum weight? As comparing, the 2 plus 7 is 9, 1 plus 0 is 1. The 1 is the minimum weight. So this one is the shortest path. So this one is the shortest path. So the distance is going to take is very less. So packets can reach a particular destination at the earliest. So we have to mention in the table, that is for D1, and the next stop is D. You can see over here in the table, the updated table has been mentioned here. Got it? For A0A, B2B, C5B, D1D. This is how you are going to update the particular table. You are going to update the particular table. You try for router B. Try for router B. Try it. And tell me the updated table. Try karo patapat. See here, in the graph, what is there? You are considering the router B. Remaining routers are A, D, and C. Remaining routers which is connected for B is A, D, and C. A, D, and C. What is A? Which is connected from A to B, which is connected from A to D, and it is also connected from A to C also. What you have to consider? For A, from A to B is 2. 2. From A to D, D to B, 1 plus 7, that is 8. And to reach from C, so this is what the table. See, 0 from A, from A, from A, that is what? 0, 2, 2. Router B receives a distance vector from its neighbors, that is A, C, and D. A, C, and D. For A, destination is 0, and from A to B, that is 2. A to B, that is 2. A to C, is there any direct link between A to C? No, so that will be infinity. A to D, that is a 1. A to D, that will be 1. That will be 1. So you have updated the table for A, from A. From A. And for C, similarly. C to A, there is no connection, direct link. So that will be infinity. Okay, C to B, there is a 3. The weight mentioned is 3. Similarly, C to C, 0. C to C, 0. And C to D, 11. C to D, 11. Got it? And from A to D, that is 1. A to B, that is 2. Sorry. D to B, sorry, we are considering from D. We are considering from D, here written here. From A, from C, from D. By using remaining 3 routes, you have to update the router B. From D, here written, from D. From D to A, 1 is there. D to B, 7 is there. D to C, 11 is there. And D to D, that is 0. That is 0. So similarly, you have written here from D to A, 1, D to B, 7, D to C, that is 11, and D to D is 0. D to D is 0. Got it? Similarly, you have to update in this. From A, what is written? Cost of reaching destination A. This sentence is very, very important. Cost of reaching destination A from B. From B. You are considering the router T. You have to update the routing table of B itself. Remaining routers are ACD. So cost of reaching destination A from B. How many routes we are considering? From B, 2. Okay. And one more is B to D, and D to A. And one more path is there, that is B to C, C to D, and D to A. Similarly, you are written here. So 2 plus 0, that is this one, from A to B. B is your destination, so A to B, that is 2 plus 0. One more is A to D and D to B, 1 plus 8. See here, 3 plus 0, 7 plus 1, 3 plus infinity and 7 plus 1. Okay, which is the minimum via A, that is 2. This is the minimum, that is 2. You have to update here. A to A, A to A. Similarly for C, destination you have to consider as C. And from router B, destination you have to consider is C and from router B. Okay, what is the destination for A? That is infinity, you can connect infinity. B to C, that is 3, and B to C 7 plus 11. See here, 7 plus 11. 2 to infinity, comma 3 plus 0, 7 plus 11, which is the minimum because it has including infinity, so you can't consider this. So 3 plus 0 as compared to 3 and as compared to 18, which is the minimum link, which is the least cost. So that is of 3. That is of 3. Similarly, for cost of reaching destination D from router B, that is 2 plus 1, can see here D. Okay, B to A and A to D. B to A to D, that is 2 plus 1, and B to D 7, 7, and B to C, C to D, that becomes C. 3 plus 11, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 11, 14, and 7 plus 0, that becomes 7. So which is the minimum one? You have to add this 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 11, 14, 7, that is, so minimum is 3. So you have to update in this particular table. Got it? How to update, how to create, how to upgrade the particular route, how to upgrade the particular table. So that is very, very important. So that is very, very important. So got it? Can you try for router C? Try for router C. We have to see this graph. Router C, for router C, which are the direct links, which are the direct routes which are connected, that is from C to D and C to B. Only 2 routes has been connected. Only 2 routes have been connected. Got it? So that is from D, that is from B. So here for router C, that is from B and that is from D. From B, 2037, how it comes from B? From B, B to A, B to B, 0, B to C, that is 3, B to D, that is 7. From B, first is destination is A, second destination is B, third destination is C, fourth destination is D. Got it? From B, the distance is 2. From B to B, distance will become 0. From B, distance will be 3. And from B to D, distance is 7. So the from B, the router is get over. Which is the one more router connected from C for router direct connection is, that is D. That is D. From D to A, first destination is A. So from D to A, the distance is 1. D to B, distance is 7. From D to C, distance is 11. And from D to D, so distance is 0. Similarly, we are written here. Got it? 1, 7, 11, 0. 1, 7, 1, 0. So how to upgrade the router C here? How to upgrade the router C? So A, B, C. Your destination router is C. So distance will be from C to C 0. Next stop will be C. For A, you have to update the router of this one from A. Cost of reaching destination A from router C. For reaching the destination to A from C, router C, how many? See here. From C to A, how many routes are there? C to D, 11, D to A, 1, 11 plus 1, 12. One more link is there, that is C to B and B to A. C to B, B to A. So 11 plus 1, 12, 3 plus 2, 5. Which is the least cost here? Which is the minimum number here? 5 or 12? That is 5. So you have to consider over here. You have to consider over here 5. See here. 3 plus 2, 5, and 11 plus 1, that is 11. Similarly, you have to write for cost of reaching destination B from router C. You have to reach a router B from the main router for C. For the main router for C. So here C to B reach करना है हमको. C to B. That is 1. Okay. That is C to B 3. C to D. D to B. C to B D. D to B. So 11 plus 7, that becomes 18. C to B, that is 3, which is the minimum one, that is 3. So you have to consider this one as 3 only. 3 plus 0, comma 11 plus 7. So only 3. Next, cost of reaching destination D from router C. From router C. Okay. So how it is? C to D. Okay. C to B and B to D. C to D is direct connection, and C to D, it has to take from C to B and B to D. C to D is the weight is more, 11. C to B is 3 plus 7, that becomes 10, which is the minimum number, 10 or 11. So 10, you have to consider the 10. See here, 3 plus 7, 10, comma 11. So 10. Same numbers you have to upgrade in this. Same numbers you have to update in this. So that is what the destination ABCD is the same, which is the minimum length, which is the minimum one. So why not, the one question has arisen, why not 3 plus 2 plus 1? So see here, 3 plus 2 plus 1. See, the doubt, you have to clear the doubt. Why not 3 plus 2 plus 1 is nothing but, for distance vector routing, you have to see only the direct links from that router. From that router, only direct links you have to see it. From C to D is there direct link, and C to B is there. Is there direct link between C to A? Is there direct link between C to A? No. So you can't consider this. So the main, at the initial starting of the lecture, while starting of this distance vector, I told you that distance vector routing algorithm is mainly concentrating on the neighboring routers only, which is direct connection, which is a direct link. Good question is she has asked, why not from 3 to 1? So the main importance, the main motto of this distance vector routing algorithm is, only you have to check from that routers how many direct link has been connected. See here, again I will explain you, that is from C to D is direct link, C to B is direct link. Got it? For considering the router A, which are the two routes has been connected directly, that is D is directly connected, A is directly connected. Is the direct connection between A to C? So you can't consider that. So this is how we are going to use it. Got it? You updated this. You updated this for router C. Similarly for router D, try it. Try it. I will give you for 2 minutes. Try it first. Router D, from A to D, from A to D, from B to D, from C to D, A to D, A to D, B to D, and C to D. This one is A, this one is B, this one is C, this one is D. So while considering this, for from A, from B, from C, you have to consider for from A to E, 0 is there. From A to B, 2 is there. From A to C, there is the direct connection. A to B is the direct connection. A to D is direct connection. So A to C, there is no direct connection. So you are considering as infinity. We are considering as infinity. Got it? Got it? Okay. Similarly, B, from B to A, B, C, D. B to A, there is a 2. B to B, destination is 0. B to C, C in this graph. B to C, B to C, direct connection. So 3. B to D, direct connection. Direct connection, B to D, that is 7. See here, 7. C to A, is there direct connection from C to A? No direct connection. You have to move from C to D and D to A. So there is no direct connection between from C to A. So that becomes infinity. C to B, is there direct connection C to B? Yes. C to B. C to C, that is 0. C to D, that is 11. Similarly, we have written here. Update this table. From A, cost of reaching destination A from router D. You are updating the routing table of D. From D to A, how many paths are you are considering? From D to A, try it. D to A, 1. That is, and 3. This one is the big root. This one is the big root. See here. 1 plus 0, 7 plus 2. 1 plus 0, D to A, 1 plus 0, D to B, D to B, D to B, that is 7, B to A, that is 2. Okay. One more link you are written here. That is 11 plus 0, infinity. 11 plus means what? You can take this route, but it takes a longest route. There is no direct connection. Okay. That is D to C. And is there direct connection from C to A? No. So D to C 11, C to B 3, B to 2, 2. That becomes 2 plus 5 and 15, 16. So that we consider as a infinity over here. Infinity. Similarly, you have to write for remaining all. You have to write for remaining all. That is a minimum is 1 here. And here the minimum is 3. And here the minimum is 7 plus 3, that is 10. The same points, the same numbers you have to upgrade in this. The same numbers you have to upgrade in this. The destination, distance, and the next route. Destination, distance, and the next route. That is A1A. A1A. So B3, it becomes A. It becomes A. Okay. Similarly for destination C and 10, 10 and B. C 10. Next stop you have to see. C to B. C to B. Okay. B to A. B to A. Similarly you are written as B to A. Next stop is B to A. Next station you have to consider. B to A is there. C to B is there. D to D, that becomes a D is there. So 0. This is how we are going to use for, you are going to upgrade a particular table using distance vector routing algorithm. Using distance vector routing algorithm. Got it? I hope you understood. You try for another example. Take the another example over here. Okay. Take the another example for distance vector routing algorithm and you can do it. Try it. Okay. We'll stop today.